First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. On top of the logo, there is a lever right there that we need to press and hold and then lift the hood upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, right there is the engine and this is the location for engine air filter. Facing from the front, notice on the right side there is that bracket. We'll need to put that bracket down just like that. One more bracket right here also needs to pull that down. There it is. Once both the brackets are pulled down, now we can just lift the top cover upwards and then pull the top cover towards yourself. Cover is out. Now we will lift up the top cover upside and notice right there is the engine air filter. Notice right there is a tab on the corner. Just lift up the filter from this side. And notice just like that we took out the filter for this vehicle. In my case the filter is good, so I'll be installing it back, but in your case if you have a new filter and you want to install it back, just make sure that this curved side at the top stays at the top and the other side like that stays at the bottom. Also make sure there is that tab here. This tab is kept towards the right side. Now we will go ahead and punch this filter back. First we will lift up the top cover and then we'll go ahead and place the filter back. Once again just make sure that tab portion is towards right side and then we will go ahead to punch this back. There we got the filter in place. Just make sure it is sitting in there properly from all over the edges and it seems like it is. Now we will go ahead and put back the top cover. Notice behind the top cover there are actually two tabs, one right here and the other one right there, and these two tabs are supposed to go into these two positions right there. So we will come at the front again, grab the top cover from this side and we'll make sure to punch in both of those two tabs into those two positions. Just like that, you notice both of those two tabs are in place. Once the top cover is in place properly, only then we will go ahead and put some force on top, then punch in that bracket on the right side. First bracket is in. Notice the other bracket is slightly different. Make sure the plastic side that has two gaps from both sides, that side is kept on top. And notice there is that portion that's a little bent, whereas the other portion is a little straight. So this straight portion actually needs to sit in that spot right there. We will go ahead and punch the bracket in, and again making sure that straight portion is in that spot right there. Then we push the bracket until it completely goes in. Just like that, the bracket is in, and that is how we replace the engine air filter for this car. Now suppose you want to close the hood back, just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle, and to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.